Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to print your ChatGPT conversation quickly, whether you're on desktop or mobile. On desktop, open your ChatGPT conversation. You can select specific messages or leave it as is. Press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac to open the print dialog. From the printer options, choose Save as PDF. Adjust layout, margins, and background graphics if needed. Then click Save and choose your location. For iOS, open your conversation, tap the Share button, then choose Print. On the print preview, pinch outward to turn it into a PDF. You can then tap Share again and save to files or email it. For Android users, open ChatGPT in Chrome. Tap the three-dot menu, select Share, then Print. Choose Save as PDF as your printer, tap the PDF icon, select a location, and save. And that's it. You now know how to print or save any ChatGPT conversation as a PDF. Simple, fast, and ready to share. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.